In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reprint a bank reconciliation from QuickBooks that is older than 1 month. Whether you need this information for record keeping or compliance purposes, understanding this process can be incredibly beneficial. Let's dive straight in and walk through the steps to make sure you can easily accomplish this task. First things first, what you'll need to do is sign in to your QuickBooks account. Navigate to the QuickBooks website and look for the Sign In button, typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Once you click Sign In, you're on your way to accessing your QuickBooks online account. After clicking Sign In, you will be prompted to select your product. In this instance, you should choose QuickBooks Online from the available options. This is crucial because we're working with the online version today. The interface may vary if you're using a different platform. Now you will need to enter your login credentials, type in your email and password, and then click Continue to proceed. Always ensure you're using secure passwords to protect your financial data. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled, you'll want to complete that step as well. Once you're signed in, head over to the transaction section of the QuickBooks interface. This can usually be found in the left-hand sidebar. Clicking on this will give you access to various options related to your financial transactions. Next, select the Reconcile option. It's important here to note that reconciling ensures that your bank statements match the transactions you have recorded in QuickBooks. Once you're in the Reconcile area, you will want to focus on finding the specific reconciliation report you need. From there, click on History by Account. This feature allows you to access past reconciliation reports. This part of the process is crucial for finding reports that are older than a month. Within the History section, direct your attention to the Report Period drop-down menu. Here you can specify the time frame for the report you desire. If you're looking for a report older than 1 month, make sure you adjust the period to reflect that. After you've selected a report older than a month, you are just about ready to print. Before you hit print, take a moment to review the data for any discrepancies. It's always a good idea to ensure the information is accurate and complete. Finally, click Print to produce a hard copy of your bank reconciliation report. Make sure your printer is connected and properly set up before you begin this step to avoid any last-minute technical glitches. And that's it. You've successfully reprinted a bank reconciliation report from QuickBooks that is older than 1 month. With these steps, you can efficiently manage and access your financial records whenever necessary. Thanks for following along, and happy accounting.